Hello again everybody, this is Jose over here at YeehawCowboy.com. I always get calls and emails on how to clean and condition exotic cowboy boots. So today I'm going to show you how I clean my exotic boots. Of course, maybe some of you have your own different ways of doing it, and that's great, but today I'm going to show you the way I do it. So some of the things you will need is a small hand brush. You can use a bigger one, it's up to you guys. A small toothbrush here. A nice little soft cloth. That's to wipe them down. And I use this Angelus Reptile Leather Cleaner Conditioner. It's made just for exotic skin. That's all I use it for actually. You guys can see it there. Let's get started. I'm going to work on these full coat ostrich boots today. Of course, you can use this process for any other exotic skin boots. First, I remove all the dirt and dust with a soft brush or a damp towel. I prefer using a brush. So the brush, what I do with it is just, wipe them down this way, all around, just like this. Just take off all that dust, just like that. Get all in there. I also, you see there's dirt sometimes in there, so let me see here. So I go in there too. I use a toothbrush for that mostly. And then what I do is I get the toothbrush here, and then get in that welt here. Just dust them off here. Get between that welt through that stitching. Make sure you get all that dust off. And then get in here in a little crack here. Get that dust. Sometimes dirt gets in there. I don't know if you can see it. Just do the same thing all around. Now what I do now is spray this Angelus Reptile Cleaner Conditioner spray. There's a few out there. However, I always use this bottle just for the simple fact that it's a clear formula, so it won't change the color of the exotic skin. The other ones might. So what I do is I spray a generous amount, kind of, you can say a lot, till it looks all really wet. Pretty much soaked in there. So you see it really wet. Just spray the heck out of it, you could say, all around. Just spray it, keep spraying it till it's soaked pretty much. That's the way I do it. Just spray it. And now what I do with the brush, just brush in there till you see it foam up. See that there? Just keep going in there, getting the cracks. You see where that welt's at? Just watch that foam build up. This reptile cleaner is only for shark skin, snake skin, crocodile, caiman, ostrich, elephant skin. Stingray, all you do is use a damp towel. You don't want to use this cleaner because it'll take off, I think, the dye. For stingray, just use a damp towel, like I said. But ostrich, crocodile, use this stuff. You see how the foam went away there? Cool. Once you're done scrubbing and foaming and all the foam goes away, all I use is your towel to wipe it down. Also, I do recommend on snakeskin, always go with the scales, not against the scales. You don't want those things pulling up. All I do is wipe it down. It's gonna look a little wet for a while. I normally wait like 2 to 3 hours before I even put the boots on. And I always put a boot tree in there just to keep that shape. Just wipe them down. Get in there too, the little welt here. You can also put leather conditioner for the top. Just not on the exotic skin. I don't ever put any leather, only for leather materials on the actual skin, because it might change the color. So I just let it wipe it down, keep wiping it down. Once it dries up, I normally use this water and stain repellent from Angelus brand as well. Let me put some on right now actually. Let me shake it here. Shake it really good. And basically I just spray the whole boot just to give that extra protection from stains and water to just jump off of it pretty much. I spray the whole boot, pretty good amount. It won't fade the color or anything like that. You can even spray the top just to protect it. That's pretty much it. If I miss any other skins, please let me know in the comments below. I'll definitely help you out. I'll definitely reply. However, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips on boots. See ya.